This is the EUREKA NER E10S vacuum cleaner. I've had it a couple of weeks now. I'm going to just show you a bit more detail about it. So I'm going to lift it up. There's two parts to it, this and the canister, and it's already done it clean. So I'm going to open it up and instruction manual, which there also comes with an app for iPhone and Android as well. And Bobby, we have cats, so we have lots of cat fur around. As you can see, that's been collected in there. So more about that. So they're the components you get. That's what you get. So there's a spare mop, because it mops and vacuums, and it comes with a little cleaning brush and little knife there too. I'll show you how that works in a minute. So let's just start with this canister. So you can, to empty it, all you got to do is do that. Releases the bottom, empties that. It comes apart for further cleaning if you want. So this actually comes off. Push the button there. It has a replaceable filter, and this actually comes out as well, and you can clean all the inside of that if you like, and you can clean this as well. You can wash the components. So let's just pop that back in, put the filter back in, close it up. That's ready to go again to put on the little base station there. So let's put that aside for a moment. So this is it. You don't need to use an app, but I find it really helpful. So you got on buttons and home buttons and things like that. So that's like, it scans the whole room. So the way it works, we've got two parts. So I'm just going to show you. First we'll take this out. This section here is for water, just plain water. And it probably needs filling because I've been doing it. Yeah, it's completely empty. So just regular water. I'll just top that up. Hopefully I won't spill any. There we go. Just press down again. So here we have the area where it is collected. The dust is collected. Not a lot in there. It's because it's all been sucked out anyway. And you got that little brush, so I'll show you. And you can just get around that and empty it into your bin. Give it a good clean. There's a filter here. It gets a bit dusty. You probably only need this. Depends how much vacuuming you're doing, but I think the instructions say once a week. It's probably a good idea for a bit of maintenance. Oh, mistake. Okay, so that's that part of it. So the water and that, and there's another section filter here which is washable, and I'll just show you in there so we can give that a bit of a dust as well, and you can wash this. And I haven't washed it yet actually. I just give it a bit of a clean out with a little brush. So we can put that back in. That's that part of it. Easy. Just slots back in, clicks. Turn it upside down now. This is where you have the mop, and this is looking a bit dirty. This is a clean one. First I'll show you how to replace the mop. Quite simple. It's got little slots and it just slides out, and then you can wash that. So I'm going to put my reasonably clean one in. So you'll see it's got little slots there. It's quite easy to put in. I say that and I'll have trouble. Here we go, here we go. Sliding in and get it in the end ones. just make sure the ends are in. That's it, installed. You got wheels here, you want to make sure they're like, get any sort of hairs out of there, and that wheel as well. These are not attached when you get it, so you just clip them on and they're replaceable. You can buy spare parts. So yeah, that'll just, sometimes they do come off if they and you'll find them off the machine, but it doesn't happen often. That one's good. Okay, now looking here, just opens like that. Give this a brush. Okay, this comes out easily, and you can see lots of cat hair, and you've got tight strands here. So you use this little knife here, and you just go like that to help remove it. There's another one. Put it in the bin. I'll just go through each side. Yeah, looks like I've got cut them all. But you can wash this too under the tap. Ooh, get off. Okay. It's pretty clean. Okay, you'll see like a little rectangular square end and a round. It's only one way it goes in. Yeah, I can give this a bit of a brush as well if you like. That's fine. So the little square end goes in there like that. So put this back on. Set to go. That's it. So you can choose to have it mop or not mop, and you can choose it to redo an area up to 3 times in a row if you want to. Make sure it's extra clean. That's it, and it recharges. So watch the demo videos now and we'll go from there.